Hi friends, welcome to Morgan's PowerPoint tutorial. In today's tutorial, we are going to learn how to create photo frame effects in PowerPoint. Our, our presentation going to be like this. So we are going to create a photo frame which popping out from the frame. And second one, we are going to create a scrolling effect of photos. Let's go and learn how to create this in PowerPoint. In the previous video, we have learnt how to create the pop-out photo frame. In today's tutorial, we will learn how to create this effect in the PowerPoint. Let's go and learn how to create this in PowerPoint. Click on New Slide. Go to Shape. Select a rectangle and draw a rectangle like this. Go to Format Shape. Go to change this color. Go to Outline. Increase the weight to maybe 3 points. We can put this one and change the color to maybe this one. We can still increase the outline like this. Then duplicate this one, paste it here, click on this, we'll go to a picture, we'll take this picture, copy, right click, format shapes, go to text and fill and pitch this picture. Then we'll duplicate few more copies. We'll go and paste couple of more pictures, copy, select this picture, this one, and put it on top of this. Again go select this, take one more picture, copy, and the last picture, go there, take copy this picture, select. So currently we pasted 4 pictures. Select all, Control A, select all, go to picture format, align, align center, align, align middle. Then go to picture effects, 3D rotations. Under perspective, you select this option, perspective turned right, titled up. So we got this effect, and let's give some shadow effects. Go to again picture effects, go to shadow, and let's select this effect under perspective upper left. So we got the effect like this. So let's animate these pictures. Let's animate this. Just move all the pictures slightly down to animate one by one. Click on this, go to animations. We have to add an exit animation. Just click on this, select grow and shrink. We'll put for 3 seconds. We'll increase to duration of 3 seconds. Then we'll copy same effect by clicking on animation painter and select the next picture. Same again, animation painter, select on this one. Last one we'll keep it blank. Again, Control A, select all, go to align center and align middle. Let's see the animation effect. On click, again on click, again on click, and this is the effect. Just let's give a 3D effect. Let's go and draw one rectangle over here. Let's go insert, let's draw a line here, rectangle here, and we'll give a gray color, something like this color, make it no outline and send it to back. So send to back. So this is the photo frame effect we have created. Thank you friends. Let's learn new effect in the next tutorial. Bye.